In this video, I will show you how to block a wig. I'm Kendra, and I'm the author of the book, 18th Century Hair and Wig Styling, History and Step-by-Step Techniques, which you can purchase at 18thcenturyhair.com. This step is foundational for any wig styling, but it's also one step in a full tutorial that I have posted on Patreon at 18th Century Wig that will show you how to make the style that I am wearing here. Appropriate to the 1780s and first half of the 1790s, it features soft romantic curls, hanging structured rolls, and a catigan knot in back. If you'd like to check out the full tutorial, as well as future tutorials, please see my Patreon at 18th Century Wig. And if you'd like to know more about the history of 18th century hair and wig styling, including which styles were worn when, as well as techniques and tutorials for making your own, check out my book at 18thcenturyhair.com. You'll need the following supplies: a canvas wig head, a screw-on wig clamp, the wig itself, and large ball straight pins. Two of your most important supplies in wig styling are the wig clamp and the wig head. The wig clamp attaches securely to the table that you are working on. This is really important when styling a wig because, trust me, the last thing you want is for your wig to go flying across the room midway through the process. It's happened to me, don't let it happen to you. It's important to get a clamp that actually tightens with a screw rather than the kind that have a suction cup. The suction cup clamps just really aren't that stable, while the screw-on ones are great. The other thing that you will need is a canvas wig block or wig head in your head size. You absolutely, positively, 1000% cannot use a styrofoam wig head. The styrofoam wig heads are incredibly small, and no matter how careful you think you are being, the wig will shrink as you style it and will be too small to wear on your head. You can buy a canvas wig head in whatever size head you have. Just measure around your head or find that size number. The wig head will have a hole in the bottom, which allows it to go onto the wig clamp, and now we have a very secure support on which to style. The wig clamp also will rotate, allowing you to move the head to different angles, which is very handy as you style. Before you actually put the wig on the head, I highly recommend finding and marking the center front hairline. Although we're going to pin the wig very securely on the head, the last thing you want is to accidentally style the wig at an off angle, because then the resulting styled wig will be at an off angle and won't sit correctly on your head. So what I do is I make sure I am looking at and working with the front hairline of the wig. Looking at the inside is easiest to double check that. And then I fold the wig in half, matching up the interior seaming of the wig so that I know that I've found absolutely that center marking. I then take a large ball pin and I pin into the base of the wig, going in and out a few times, so that now I always know where that center top point is. To attach the wig onto the wig block, start by placing the top and stretching it forward. It's a good idea to stop and look in the mirror and see about where your hairline sits on your head. Some people have lower or higher hairlines, and you don't want to style the wig very much off of that point because that will change the angles of how the wig sits on your head. Once you have the front on, make sure it's stretched to its full capacity, and also that the center front pin marking lines up with the center seam of the wig block itself. Then Take your large ball pins and starting at that center point, pin along the edge at multiple points all the way down to the temples. In this case, I'm using a lace front wig, so I'm pinning in the lace. If this wig did not have a lace front, I would be pinning along the front edge of the wig. Do this on both sides. Now pull the wig down in back, making sure it's stretched pretty much as far as it will stretch. Once again, the last thing we want to do when we style a wig is lose any of its ability to stretch and cover our own hair. So give it a good pull down in back and then pin along the nape of the neck, using about 5 or 6 pins to really make that secure.